we have come up with these laws. We discussed basically about 10 laws. So these are the laws, but the thing is, it's kind of hard thing to calculate using or solve these questions using Boolean algebra laws. Therefore, I said that I'll teach you easy method this week. So please write down the heading. The easy method is, we call that K-maps. K-maps. K-maps or Karnaugh maps. Karnaugh maps. K-maps or Karnaugh maps. Remembering, so under that please write, remembering and applying Boolean algebra laws is quite difficult. Remembering and applying Boolean algebra laws is quite difficult. Karnaugh suggested an easy method to solve Boolean algebra expressions. Karnaugh suggested easy method to solve Boolean algebra expressions. Okay, how many of you knew this technology? K-maps, Karnaugh maps? How many of you have done in the school? Or maybe in your previous level, how many of you have done? How the karla tiyenne? Netuli, have you done before? Hello? Sachini, have you done this before? Come on, guys. If you can hear, please tell me the answer. Otherwise, it's very difficult to me to understand whether you can hear me or not. So let me ask in chat. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can.
Right, okay. So how many of you have done this? So is it clear or not clear? Is my line is not clear or clear?
Clear, sir. Now it's clear.
Right, okay. So kindly respond. Otherwise, I don't know whether you can hear me or not. Right, okay. So how many of you have done Karnaugh maps before? K maps. Right, it seems no one has done. Okay, so in the K map, what we do is just we arrange the variable in such a way so adjacent variables have common terms. These common terms we can take in. That is what the distributive law said. Right here, you can see if you have something like this, if this is the solution, how you solve this? කොහොමද අපි මේක විසඳුවේ දරුවනේ මතකද ඔයාලට? Yes, how we solve this? So A dot is common for both. A and is common for both. Then B and B not. This is how you write down. A not is common for both. And this is how you write down B or B not. Then actually why you take this common thing out? Because of the distributive law. This is inverse of distributive. So what is distributive law then? So can you remember the distributive law? Distributive law කියලා කියන්නේ අපිට මේ වගේ පොදු එකක් තිබ්බොත් අපි හිතමු B not හරි මොකක් හරි පොදු එකක් තියෙනවා. අපිට තියෙනවා තව variables කීපයක්. Let's say A C. Distributive law says this common B not can be distributed for both parties. The common B not can be given to A and the common B not can be given to C2. So So no need to use bracket now. So B not A, B not C. This is what the distributive law say. Hopefully you can remember this. Can you remember this or not? මතකද ගිය සතියේ අපි කතා කරා මේක?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is distributive law. එතකොට distributive law එකේ අනිත් පැත්ත කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Distributive law. Inverse of distributive law කියලා කියන්නේ මේ දෙන්නට බෙදලා දුන්න දෙක එකතු කරලා වරහණෙන් එළියට අර ගන්නවා B not විදියට. B not විදිය sorry B and විදියට අරගෙන ඉතිරි වෙන දෙන්න මැද තියෙන ඔපරේටර් එකත් එක්ක ලියනවා. AOC. AOC B and කියන එක දෙන්නගෙම ඉවතට අරගෙන වරහණක් ඇතුළේ ලියනවා. මේක හරියට සමානයි. ගණන් වල අපි මෙහෙම කියන්නේ 5 වැඩි කිරීම A ධන B කියලා තිබ්බොත් අපි මේක දෙනවා 5යි A ධන 5යි B කියලා ලියනවා නේද? 5යි A ධන 5යි B කියලා ලියන ගණන් වල. ඉතින් මේ දෙකේම 5 තියෙන හින්දා අපිට පස්සේ ඕනම් 5 එළියට අරන් A ධන B කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. ඔන්න ඔය වගේ තමයි distributive law එක. So if you cannot understand, please tell me. හරි ඔයාලට තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් පුතේ අනිවාර්යෙන් කියන්න. මොකද එතකොට මෙතනින් එහාට කරන එක තේරුමක් නෑ. Can you understand distributive law very well or not?
Understood, sir.
Okay. And distributive law දැන් මේකේ වැඩි කිරීමනේ ගණන් වල නම් මේ වැඩි කිරීම තිබ්බොත් distributive law වල එහෙම නැහැ. දැන් මෙහෙම තිබ්බා කියමුකෝ. ගණන් වල මෙහෙම තිබ්බ 5 එකතු කිරීම A වැඩි කිරීම B කියලා තිබ්බොත් අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් ද මේක ගණන් වල 5 ධන A වැඩි කිරීම 5 ධන B කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්ද 5 plus B කියලා 5 plus A into 5 plus B කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්ද in maths? Can or cannot? Now you want to remember maths no? හරි ගණන් වල මෙහෙම එකතු කිරීමක් තිබ්බොත් මේ දෙන්නටම දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද පුතේ? 5යි A වැඩි කිරීම 5 ධන A 5 ධන වැඩි කිරීම තිබ්බොත් පුළුවන්. 5 වැඩි කිරීම A ධන B තිබ්බොත් 5යි A ධන 5යි B. නැත්නම් 5 එළියට අරගෙන A ධන B කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. A plus B කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. You can take 5 out and then write A plus B. This is for multiplication in maths. This is maths, right? This is not logic. Maths, this is correct. This is correct in maths. So is it correct in maths? The second one, is it correct in maths or wrong? If
Wrong,
not,
sir.
yes, correct or wrong? There's a one who's doing maths. Maths කරන කෙනෙකුත් ඉන්නවා. හරිද වැරදිද? Is it correct or wrong? Yes, Netuli, is it correct?
Correct, sir.
Correct. You can write like 5 plus A, 5 plus B. Is it? Okay, let's add some values then. So let's add some values. Huh? Let's put some values and see. So it should give the same answer, right? Here the first one also we will add some values. Let's say this is something like this. 5 into 2 plus 3. So you can write this as 5 into 2 plus 5 into 3. This is according to mathematics. Then the answer is 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15, 10 plus 15 is 25. Or this can be solved like this. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 into 5 is also 25. Here also 2 plus 2 is 5, then 5 into 5 is also 25. So this is correct in mathematics. So the second one, let's see the second one now. දෙවන එකත් අපි මේ වගේම බලමු. හරි. මම දෙවන එකත් ලියනවා අර වගේම අගයන් ටිකක් දාලා ලියන්න. 5A plus B කියන්නේ මම කියන්නම් 5 plus A into B කියන්නේ let's say 2 into 3. So can you tell me the value? So let's write like we said 5 plus 3, sorry 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3. So what is the answer now? 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3. What is the answer? Yes. Come on, guys. මොකද උත්තරේ? මෙහෙම ලිව්වොත් මොකද්ද උත්තරේ?
56.
Oh, yeah, this 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 3 is, so this will be bracketed anyway. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 into 8 is, 7 into 8 is 56. Okay, let's do it in the other way. Then 5 plus 2 into 3 is 6. So then the answer is 5 plus 6 is 11. So you are getting here both answers are correct. So therefore this method is correct. But if you have plus, if you do like this and if you do like this, you will get two answers. So normally plus you can't write like this. හරිද? මතක තියාගන්න දැන් අමතක කරන්න. එකතු කිරීම තිබ්බොත් මේ විදිහට විහිදුවා ලියන්න බෑ. එකතු කිරීම තිබ්බොත් you can't distribute like that. That is in mathematics. This is in mathematics. But in logic, so this is not valid. This is not valid in logic. So forget about the mathematics now if you don't know. But if you have something like this, still you can distribute. If you like something like this, how you distribute? Can you tell me the answers? This is equal to, yes, Metholi? B O, this is logic, huh? B O A and C is equal to
BOA and BOC.
B O A and B O C. Yes. In logic, this is valid, right? This is how you distribute. So logic basically you distribute input and the logic both. Here input and the logic. Then මෙතන B dot තිබ්බා. B dot දෙන්නටම දුන්නා. Input එකයි logic එකයි දෙකම දුන්නා. B dot මෙයාටත් දුන්නා මෙයාටත් දුන්නා. Here BO will be given to this one and this one both. And in the middle you have to keep the same operator. So distributive law is valid. Distributive law is valid for both occurrences. Please remember that. So we are using this distributive law in K-maps. K-maps, we focus on this distributive law because most of the things can be solved using this distributive law. Okay, this is the law. The law part I'm going to write in separate color. Maybe let's cut it. And this is the law. I'm going to include this into another box. This is my law box. And this is the distributive law. Okay, you apply inverse of distributive and A dot is common for both. මේක හරියටම තේරුම් ගන්න නැත්නම් කරන්න බෑ. A and is common for both. The common thing you take out, then B plus. And then how you solve this? A and B or B plus. What is the value B or B plus? B or B plus.
1.
Yes, B or B plus is 1. How? So that is given here. That is one of our laws. B or B plus is 1. That is complement law. A or A plus is 1. A or A naught, sorry, A or A naught is 1. Similar to that, B or B naught, yeah, is also 1. C or C naught is also 1. D or D naught is also 1. ABC or ABC naught is also 1. Cos or cos naught is 1. Then polos or polos naught is 1. Apple or apple naught is 1. Right? So anyway, whatever or whatever naught is also 1. Right? This is 1. This is according to complement law. This is according to complement law. So here we discussed the complement law last day. So here this is complement law. Something or something not is 1. Something and something not is 0. The other way, something and something not 0, but something or something not is දැන් මම කියාගෙන යනවා මම හිතනවා ඔයගලන්ට තේරෙන්නේ නැති කියලා ඔයගලන්ට අපහැදිලි නම් මම පොඩ්ඩක් නවත්තලා හෝව් වේගෙන් යන්න එපා අපි තාම පොඩි එහෙනම් චුට්ටක් හිමීට කරමු කියලා කියන්න ඕනේ මම පුරුද්දට වගේ යනවා කඩා බින්දගෙන සමාල්ලට ඔයගොල්ලෝ මාව ෆලෝ කරන්නේ නැති වෙනවා වෙන්නත් පුළුවන් ඔයගලන්ට තේරෙන්නේ අයියෝ මේ මොකද්ද ඒක ඒකත් ඇරලා දාමු ලොජික් ගේට් නැතුව එනවා විභාගෙ ලියනවා කියලා එහෙම හිතා ගන්නත් පුළුවන් එහෙම වෙන්න එපා if you cannot understand please ask up to here can you understand up to here
Yes,
can
sir.
yes so a and 1 what is the law a and 1 is equal to a and 1 is equal to come on last
1.
yes 1 the a the
Sir, A.
a and 1 is a because if a is 0 the output will be 0 if a is 1 output will be 1 a 1 nang 1 1 unat 1 a 0 nang 0 and 1 unat 0 that means whatever a will be the answer this is called identity law okay how to solve this using k maps it's easy in k map you draw a table like this since you have a and b only you can draw small table one side a this other side you have the a b right a table like this one side you put a and in the other side you put b this is your map one side a the other side b b can be 0 or 1 a can be 0 or 1 a's values දැන් මේ පැත්තට දාන්නේ a ගේ values ටික a ගේ value එක බිංදුව එක වෙන්න පුළුවන් b ගේ value බිංදුව එක වෙන්න පුළුවන් right now you have to write down the AND gate format nearby the expression if you send a and b when you get 1 if you send a and b to AND gate when you get 1 AND gate එකෙන් a b යවුවොත් 1 එන්නේ මොන වෙලාවටද
56. Yes, sir. Both A and B are 1.
yes both a and b are 1 a and both are 1 then the second one if you are sending a or b when you get 1 sorry a and b not a and b not if you send a and b not when you get 1 yes you know this a and b නම් දෙකම එක වුණාම 1 a and b not නම් මොනවා වුණාමද 1 දෙන්නේ yes last week we discussed
1.0.
1.0
1.
exactly 1.0 why the 0 will be inverted 0 කියන එක අනිත් පැත්ත හරවනවනේ එතකොට ඒක 1 වෙනවා එතකොට ඔන 1 1 කියන එකේදී 1 වුණා අපි ඒකත් ලියා ගන්නවා a1 නම් b1 නම් 1 වුණා දෙවෙනි එක 1 0 a1 නම් a මේ පැත්තනේ a1 නම් b0 නම් a වෙලාවෙත් 1 වුණා here a1 and b0 a පැත්තෙන් 1 b පැත්තෙන් 0 වෙද්දිත් 1 අනිත් වෙලාවට 0 okay after drawing the k map you select these continuous ones so let me highlight this right so from this only you cannot understand this let's do more exercises then you will understand okay then you have to create groups first identify when you get ones according to AND format then you have to fill the k map table this is k map but in the k map you can see then you have to create groups when you create groups of you have to try groups of 16 or 8 or 4 or 2 or if not 1 you have to try for group of 16 so that can be as a square or rectangle. So the shape should be square or rectangle. Right. හරි මේ විදිහට තමයි try කරන්න අපි. දැන් ඔන්න අපිට හම්බුණා rectangle එකක්. rectangle එකක් කියන්නේ මේ පාට කරාම නැත්නම් මේක ගත්තම හැඩය rectangle එකක් වෙන්න ඕන. අපි අඳින්නේ. So if you want to draw, you can draw like this. So let's insert a shape. We're going to insert this shape and this is what you have. Shape fill will be no fill. And let's make shape outline orange color. Now this is the group of 2. So what are the not change in values in that group? What are the not change in values in that groups? In this group, what is the value which is not changing? Is it A or B? Yes. මේ group එක ඇතුලේ A ගේ value එකද වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැත්තේ B ගේ value එකද? නැත්නම් දෙකම වෙනස් වෙනවද?
A is not change.
B is not changing.
A
is not changing. Why? Here also A is 1. Here also A is 1. But B, here B is 0. But here B is 1. So A is not changing. So answer for this is A. So here the same. This is how you get the answer without solving. You have to find the not change in value, and answer for this is A. So answer is A. Okay, kindly write down this, but I know this is not clear because this is the first one. I have to at least use 3 variables to make it more clear. Please write down this, and in case if you disconnect, please connect with the same link. Right now it's okay. I think now it's not going to stop because so there's a signal problem in my hometown. When I come to hometown, there's a problem. So I have to always come to my vehicle and move the vehicle to some other place and start doing the class. That is unpleasant, but anyway, no other solution. Because this problem is there in my hometown. Okay, please write down this. So this is how you solve using laws. This is how you solve using K-maps. ඉක්මනට ලියන්න. ලියලි ඉවරලා කියන්න. අන්තික disconnect වුණොත් පුතේ මේ link එකෙන් එන්න. දැන් disconnect වෙයි. මේකෙන් එන්න. අපි කතා කරන්න ඕන කොහොමද 3 variables. ඒ වගේම 4 variables. We have to discuss all this.